Hey friends and family, thank you for joining me. This is an unboxing of a Cricut EasyPress 3 heat press, the 12 by 10 design in a light blue color. I bought it because I'm a business owner and I want to take my business to the next level by offering merchandise with my logo on it. I could decorate tote bags as well as pillowcases, children's onesies, children's toddler t-shirts. I'm a business owner, so I'm looking forward to using this Cricut heat press to expand my business and offer merch to my customers. Inside the box, you'll find the Cricut EasyPress 3 heat press machine, 12 by 10 inches, and Cricut EasyPress instructions, and it connects with your Bluetooth. So it tells you exactly what temperature to use with whatever material you decide to use. It is great for larger products, such as sweatshirts, banners, blankets, and more. So enjoy this video and see everything that is included. There's the instructions and a little envelope. It came with a little tote bag. I had no idea that was in there. And there's also 3 Teflon sheets as well. This is my very first time trying a heat press, and it comes with this mat too, so that your heat press will not burn the surface. And if you notice on the top, there's a handle. So it's easy to transport, like from store to store if you have multiple locations, or if you're going to a festival or something like that and you want to work on site. So here's a little Canva bag I was mentioning to you earlier, the canvas bag, like a little tote bag. The instructions are in here. They were really simple to follow along. From my understanding, this 12 by 10 Cricut EasyPress 3 only comes in blue. But I love the color. It reminds me of a robin's egg. It's nice to have a dash of color. Brightens up wherever you're at. Good vibes. Just by looking at it, you can see it's pretty big. There is smaller ones, but I was concerned. I wanted to make sure that my t-shirts, that the heat press heats up evenly and will cover my entire design. So it's totally up to you which size you decide to go with. I noticed online that people suggested getting bigger ones. So that's why I decided to go with this size. But I've also seen reviews where people said it's perfectly fine to use the 9x9 as well. And this is the app that you use with it. The Cricut EasyPress 3 app, and then you connect it with your Bluetooth. I just laid down a towel because I was just so excited to get my product. So I just laid down a towel on my futon and wanted to try it out, test it out to see what it does. So I just first heated up the canvas bag, the tote bag with the heat press. I followed the instructions. I set the temperature and the time. It's fun learning a new skill. And like I said, I'm a business owner, so I hope that this will only add on to what I already sell at my pastry business. I also have another business, my divorce party planning business. So I think it's going to be perfect for all my business projects and personal projects, like designing some t-shirts for my family, vacations, reunions. And see, it came with this. I wasn't expecting that. So that way you can test it out and do your very first transfer, heat transfer. Came with a little Cricut design. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, you are welcome to leave me some comments, inbox me. But thank you for watching my unboxing. So far, I love it. I love the size. I love that it is convenient. It's easy to transport with the handle. I love the color. And I love how simple it is to use with your Bluetooth. It gets a stamp of approval from me.